Hello everyone, I am Jake. Today I will introduce a new widget called Simple Paint, a lightweight painting tool in UE. The development of this tool is mainly to facilitate the SDAPI widget to draw or modify pictures during AI creation quickly. Let's look at the brush settings first. When using an eyedropper to select color, it is best to right-click. Because you use the left button to select the color of the base map, the drawing event will be triggered simultaneously, and the brush will appear in the area where the color is picked. Create a new transparent canvas, and after turning off spacing, the brush works intermittently. Enable spacing to make the brush continuous. Raise the value to 0.1, it means drawing at a UV space distance of 0.1. Underneath are random brush settings, including color, size, shape, rotation, softness, strength, and scatter. Let's change the brush texture and select its alpha channel. Let's look at the results of different parameters on the brush shape. What does this following do? I increase the spacing value and see that the brush will rotate with the drawing direction. If the following is turned off, the brush faces the default direction. Fill in the subject name here, for example, called test. Click the load button to load the selected texture for layer 0. Simple Paint provides 4 layers and a mask layer. Switch to layer 1 and import another texture. The right window displays the current layer content. Continuing the habit of A1111, there are 3 adaptation options for loading textures. Resize and fill will maintain the pixel ratio and scale. Crop and resize will maintain the pixel ratio and crop. Just resize will deform and fill. Detailed instructions are in the document on the right. Now draw the mask layer. Turn off the hint option to hide the mask hint. Enable mask to see the effect of applying the mask. The following are the layer parameters. Opacity and fill are the same as in Photoshop. You can watch the video in the link for instruction of color blend modes. Color adjustments include tint and H, S, V, and C, namely hue, saturation, lightness, and contrast. We can also save the project. Enable the checkbox next to the Save button to save layers and layer information. One copy is stored on the disk in image format, and the other is stored in the content root directory as UE assets. The project file is a material instance. Create a new canvas and load the mic project file. Note that the color space is incorrect. If you want to load the newly saved texture assets immediately, it is best to refresh the parameters to obtain the correct color space. The layered material is very complex and must be loaded after completing the compilation. The material is compiled and loaded. The color space returns to normal. The layer settings in the project file are also read in. Simple Paint is straightforward, even a bit crude. It only supports mouse events, has no pressure sensitivity, and the canvas cannot be zoomed in, but you can quickly paint or modify images. This SDAPI update integrates Simple Paint, making the AI painting process more convenient. Image format files are saved in the Simple Paint subdirectory of the project's saved directory. Let's give it a name called ABC and save it. All images will appear in the ABC directory. Running SAI API, the new version integrates Simple Paint.
On a bright sunny day, the birds start to sing. As the gentle breeze blows, it dances on my skin. I feel the warmth of the sun filling up the air. It's like a symphony of nature everywhere. The sound of the waves crashing along the shore, the rustle of leaves as they fall to the floor, the rhythm of raindrops hitting the ground. It's a harmony of nature's music all around. In true harmony of nature's music all around. No need for words, the music speaks so clear, upbeat and refreshing, bringing cheer.
Let's take a look at the updates to the SDAPI. The biggest change is the integration of Simple Paint. Image-to-image mode adds in-paint and out-paint functions. ControlNet lists tiles separately, which is very useful when upscaling pictures. For additional ControlNet slots, allow optional control modules. Preprocessors have also been added. Load a texture and test it. The results of different preprocessors can be compared. Mask can be set for ControlNet. Effective Region Mask is a new feature in version 1.1.446. Effective Region Mask is more reasonable than ordinary mask. Thanks for watching.